In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create an area chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, pie charts, and any other display are a perfect way to add data beautifully and seamlessly with your content. You can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved your data in a spreadsheet using Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet program, then you can display that data as a chart using this plugin. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on Add New Chart. Here you get some different chart types to choose from. There are also premium chart types, but they come with the upgraded version of the plugin. So for now, let's select the area chart, and then click on Next. Now, the first thing you need to do is import your data. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format, and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now let's go to Settings. So first we have the General Settings. Here you can give this chart a title, you can change the title position from here, and the title color here. You can also change the axis title from here. And then in the font style settings, you can change the font family and the size of the text here. In the legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can change the alignment from here, and you can change the font color as well. Moving over to the tooltip settings, you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed from here. And you can choose to show color code from here. You can actually also add animations for this chart. Just enable this. And then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. Then you can add the license and creator information over here. Next, let's get to the horizontal axis settings. First, in the general settings, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color from here. Then you can add grid lines from here, and change the color of the grid lines from here. You can also add minor grid lines. And in the View window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. The vertical axis settings are pretty much the same as the horizontal settings. Now, in the line settings, you can set the line width and point size from here. You can choose the focus target from here, which chooses the type of entity that will receive focus when the mouse hovers over it. The selection mode determines how many data points a user can select on the chart. You can set the aggregation target from here. And then you can choose the point opacity from here. 0 being fully transparent, and 1 being fully opaque. And also you can choose the area opacity from here. You can choose to stack the elements from here. In the series settings, you can configure each legend. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. Or you can add a background color from here, or choose to have a transparent background. Then in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. And then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And let's create a new page and add this chart to it. I'm just going to give this page a title. And then I'm going to paste the shortcode here. Now let's preview this page. And you can see that the chart was added successfully here. This is how you can create an area chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.